part 3 of using AI for UX research, and the third part is really about using AI for your analysis phase of UX research. I know, this is like the hardest phase in UX research where everyone's scratching their head as to how and what is the best way of using AI for this phase. And before I give you how to use it, I'm going to tell you how not to use it. Hi, I'm Coco. I'm an expert UX researcher, and I'm also a leader and entrepreneur, and I'm your girl who's going to give you insights to grow in your career and be a leader in your space. Big no-no is putting in all your transcripts and asking AI, give me the analysis or the overall themes from all these transcripts. Do not do that. No. This will give you false information, a lot of hallucinations, and also will increase the information that AI will add on its own without anything from the transcripts. Instead, what you need to do is use AI in your analysis phase to find specific lists. What I mean by that is put in your transcripts and ask AI, give me a list of all the pain points users have mentioned using these transcripts. Give me exact references and quotes from these transcripts. Do not add any information yourself. And that way you will get a list of all the pain points, and then you can decide, go back to your process, and you can decide which pain points are more important, which ones are not as important, and which ones are maybe not even worth mentioning. So use AI in your analysis phase to find lists. List down all the positives users have mentioned about this platform. Another way of using AI in your UX research process and the analysis phase is, which I've mentioned in my previous video as well, use AI to find information for you. If you want to find specific quotes from the transcripts, use AI to find you those specific prompts. If you want to find out from a specific video or transcript where exactly the users were mentioning a specific experience or a specific reference point, you can put in prompts and ask, from this transcript, give me the exact timestamp as well as the exact quote where the user is mentioning about their existing workflow. Now, make sure to use specific words which it can find from the transcript. If you are looking for a particular app, a particular kind of experience, you can add that experience in the prompt so that it can give you specific information. So always use AI to find lists of information, to dig into information and find you quotes or particular reference points, which I've mentioned in my previous video, and you can watch that. And that way you can fast track and improve the quality of your analysis phase in UX research. But remember not to ask for overall themes, not to ask for analyze all these transcripts for you, for your UX research. You don't want to be in a situation where you've used the analysis and somebody points out, this is not what the user said. Oops, that's not a good place to be in. I'll be sharing my fourth part in the next video. Stay tuned. And if you'd like to stay in touch with the updates, you can follow me on LinkedIn. I am building AI for UX research workshop. And to know when it comes out, you can follow me on LinkedIn where I put these